Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, so today we are going to cut 6 pieces straight gown with half cut. So the underbust, the person's underbust is 32, so 32 divided by 6, since it's 6 pieces, is going to give us 6. So 6 divided by 2 it gives us 3, and then we will add 1 inch for the sewing allowance, which will make it 4 for the 3. So the waist is 4. It depends on what the person wants. She wants the flare to be right on top of her knee, so from the waist to her knee is 25 inches. So one piece is done. On to the next one. I will just place this one on top to trace it with my chalk, and then we will have to leave some sewing zipper allowance at the back, because now this down one that we are tracing is the back part, while the one we just did is the front part. Since it's 6 pieces, so now I'm cutting it out. Okay, so the place where I draw with my chalk, my camera actually shifted. This is the back, the zipper allowance, and then the sewing allowance as well. So now we are done with 2 pieces. This is the front and back, so we are going to cut the other 4 pieces, where we are actually going to cut out the hip size. Okay, so now we are going to place the front part so that we can measure the flare very well. If not, there's no need for this one, but we are putting this one here for the flare to come out neat. You know, as I said earlier, the underbust is divided by 6. It gives us 6 each, since the underbust is 32. So we are not dividing this 6 inches, because you know, if the first one we divided the 6 inches by 2 and it gives us 3, so we add 1 each inch for the sewing allowance. But this one we are not going to divide it, we are rather going to add 1 inch to it, so that to make it 7 for sewing allowance. So this is me tracing it. It's actually 2 pieces, like I said before. It's two pieces, not 1. So now we are tracing 2 pieces. When we trace this one out, it's basically going to make it 4 pieces done. Okay, and for the other 2 pieces, we will do it the same way as we are doing this one. So I'm not going to show the other 2 pieces because it's the same process as this. So after tracing it, we will cut it out before we trace the other side. Alright, so we are done cutting it out, right, and this is how it's going to look, right? 6 pieces. As I said, we are not going to do the other side because it's the same as the other 2 pieces, because it's the same as this one. It's just the same process. You follow it. You don't even have to put the front side. You can just take those 2 pieces that we just cut it out, place it on your Ankara or any other material you are using, then you trace it with your chalk, or you just follow it with the scissors, cut it out easy. Okay, this is the upper side. I've already done it, but unfortunately I didn't record it. You know, I have a lot of work, so just have to slow down with the recording because it's actually slowing my working process. So this is how it looks. And this is me putting the style the client choose. So you place it like this,